Germany, and I'm happy to be in the podcast today.
So today we'll be talking about you guys coming and how was the experience at the school and some new things you have experienced in Nanaimo. So how was the trip coming to here and COVID time?
Yeah, so I can start. The flight first was very long, and also all the planning before the flight to come here to Canada was, I think, more difficult than the years before. And yeah, but when we arrived, I was such happy. Yeah, I was really happy that I made it. And quarantine was also not that easy. It was a little bit boring, and yeah, but here at Barsby, I feel very good. All people are nice here, and yeah. What about you, Miriam?
Yeah, as Olivia mentioned before, the planning was a bit difficult, and we didn't really know until we sat in our flight seats if it's really gonna happen or not. So yeah, I'm just so glad to be here.
Or did you get jet lagged? Because if I'm on a plane, I get jet lagged. By the time I get here, I just want to sleep.
Yeah, but we had 2 weeks in quarantine to sleep, so
Yeah, that's true.
So what did you do during quarantining? Did you guys do anything fun, or were you just stuck in the house doing nothing?
I didn't really do anything special. I watched a lot of TV.
Yeah, me too. I watched a lot of Netflix series, but we also had little Zoom meetings with other internationals. It was from the program. Really nice. Also, we had a date every day, so there was something to do.
Yeah. So before coming to Canada, did you guys have to do like anything before during COVID time? Because you can't just walk in like you used to.
Yeah, we had a lot of rules, and we had to take a COVID test. Yeah. And we were in a lockdown in our country, so yeah, we didn't go out and meet any people, and we had a COVID test. And on the flight, we had to wear masks all the time. And when we arrived, we had to like wash our clothes immediately and sanitize everything and be in our room for 2 weeks.
Yeah, and every time when we went out of our rooms, we had to wear the mask, and after I used my bathroom, I had to sanitize everything. So it was kind of difficult, but yeah, it was good rules to keep everything safe.
So how was your host families?
Yeah, my host family is really nice and lovely family. Yeah, and I have also a Japanese host sister there, and she's there for 3 years, and that's pretty cool because she really understands how it is to be an international, and yeah, I really like to spend my time with them and just to watch some movies or visit places around Nanaimo.
Wait, what school does she go to?
She goes to NDSS.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, my host family is also really, really nice, and they're kind and funny and everything, and they had a lot of other international students before, I think 25, when I remember it right, yeah.
Wow.
So they're really experienced, and I can feel that they just know what to do and how to make me feel comfortable.
Have you guys tried the Canadian food? Like the poutine and the Nanaimo bars?
I've never tried the Nanaimo bar. Yeah, I really want to try it, but I don't know, I just didn't have the time.
Yeah, I tried both. I've tried poutine and the Nanaimo bar. I love poutine. I love the gravy sauce, and the cheese. It's really, really good. And also the Nanaimo bar. I love all sweets from bakery, so it's totally my thing.
Have you cooked for your host families to try the new food from Germany or Austria?
No, not yet, but in 2 days when my host mom is off from work, I will cook some Austrian food.
Yeah, because people here are like interested in the cultures of other people, so that's the nice part of it. So, what else?
Yeah, me as well. I want to cook something, but I didn't do it yet. Yeah.
Okay, so when you guys first came to the school, how was the experience, like your first day walking into the school?
Yeah, for me the experience was pretty amazing because it looks like in the movies we see in Austria, like the high school movies with the lockers on the hallways, and it was just so different as I know from Austria.
Have you watched High School Musical?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, me too. And I agree with Miriam. It was really cool to come here, and yeah, all the people, as I mentioned before, are really kind and also very, very open. I was very, impressed.
Have you guys been around outside the school? Have you guys been around towns and seen downtown, the Great Waterfront? Because I feel like that's where most people in the new town come at the waterfront. That's where they take everybody. Have you guys been there? How has it been?
Yeah, I just live 5 minutes or 10 minutes by walk from the waterfront, so I just walked there the first day and looked around the harbor and was really impressed about this view, because there's the ocean and the mountains, and it's like everything you need.
Oh, I'm really sad because like during spring break they do like fun events there, but now during COVID they can't do fun events. So you guys want to experience that, but it's really fun. Oh, what about classes? How are you guys enjoying the 3-hour classes?
Yeah, the classes are really interesting, and I'm very happy. Yeah, and it's very different because in Austria we have like 10 classes and 6 classes a day, all different. And yeah, here I like it that we only have 2 classes, and they're more like not only theory and writing, but more interactive, and we can do stuff by ourselves.
Do you guys like coaches? Because we have socials with coach, and he always doing demonstrations, telling us stand up, go at the back of the room, do this. How are you guys enjoying that?
Yeah, that's really fun.
Yeah, I like this too.
Yeah. So thank you for guys being here, and hope you enjoyed the rest of the stay at Nanaimo and our wonderful school. And thank you.
Yeah, thank you too. It was really cool
Yeah,
to be
thank
here.
you very much for having us.
Thanks for listening in on podcast number 9. Hopefully you enjoyed our experience listening to international students, Miriam and Olivia, and stay tuned for future episodes.